What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you are having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. For today's home tour video, we will be checking out Taylor Morrison's Lincoln model in Esplanade Lake Club down here in Fort Myers/Estero, Florida. As you can see, it's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a study, a 3-car garage, topping out at 2,862 square feet. I'm going to put some music on, let you take the tour. I will check in with you when the video's over. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Lincoln home model here in Esplanade Lake Club. If you have any questions about this model or questions about any of the other models in Esplanade Lake Club, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. And as always, thank you for taking the time to check out the video. I will see you on the next one.